to be honest, I don't know what to say because I hardly expected to win the election because, as you noticed, I just came in yesterday and I didn't really campaign and I don't even know who would nominate me up until that point when it is time for nomination. But seriously, I would like to thank everybody for this victory today. And as I was telling Mila, there's really a lot of work ahead of us. And I pointed out to the new members of the board that we are practically starting with a fresh slate because I think, with the exception of Jessica Brias here, I think most of us are fresh, first-time officers, members of the board. You're, di ba? Yeah. Kaya nga, with your exception. So, thank you for the trust you have reposed on your new officers and members of the board. We hope that we can do justice to your votes. And yes, I would like to invite the new members of the board to a planning session. I think that would be the first order of the day because we need to sit down and plan what we should be doing. Especially now that the Constitution of Bylaws calls for a monthly activity. Medyo tall order yata yan. So, mas madali sana yung board meeting lang, madaling i-meet yung 9 or 10 members of the board. Pero kung activity involving the general membership, medyo mahirap yata yan. Pero tingnan natin ano magagawa natin. I think the other thing that I think you would like to know is whether or not we will have some kind of a formal induction. Maybe I will discuss that with the board, kung anong gusto ng board. There's one thing that I can assure you, I will not speak out of line. In other words, I will always defer to the board of directors. We shall decide as a college, as a body. I will not drag the name of PPCO just because I feel something about a certain subject. If I have to speak my mind, I will make sure to make a distinction. It is my opinion, and it is not the opinion that of the PPCO, kung hindi man lang na-approve ng board with a resolution. So yun na lang siguro muna. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong
Can I call on our former past President Ross? And maraming salamat, Ross, for all your services. You've always been there for us. You will still be here for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. I'm so happy for Ricky. Congratulations to the new officers. Nakahinga din ako ng magawa. It's been hard work, but I am glad to relinquish the responsibilities to the new set of officers. I am sure you will do a wonderful job. Ricky, I am glad that you are in that position, and so with Ruby, alam ko naman kayo lahat, so I'm sure the organization is in good hands. Congratulations again, and if there is anything I could do to help, I'm just around. I'm not going to impose myself on you. I will only come and speak out when you ask. Otherwise, I'm not going to dictate anything on you. Maraming salamat. We have a good constitution. We have a good new set of officers. What else could be asked for? So thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
And I call on the outgoing Vice President, Hermie Garcia, to give us a few words of wisdom. Hermie, we thank Hermie for all his sacrifices and advocacies in the past. It's just too bad that hindi siya tumakbo.
Maglalakad din siya.
Tumakbo pero paan pala yun.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng members na dumalo at saka doon sa mga nag-authorize na i-proxy sila ng mga mag-attend kasi without yung mga proxies baka mas mahirap makakuha ng 2/3 na boto para sa amended constitution at saka ewan ko sa quorum kung nakuha natin without the proxies, no? But anyway, May mga nagtanong sa akin kanina, ba't daw ako decline and decline? Sabi ko, overstaying na ako. I've been serving the PPCO for 4 terms as board of director and recently as vice president. So that's a total of 8 years. So it's been a long journey and very self-fulfilling to be serving the radio community of the Filipino community. I have nothing else to say except doon sa mga officers na bagong elect. Siguro ang maganda yung ako para sabihin to, pero merong mga challenges kasi na nag-exist ngayon, no? So I hope every one of you will be broad-minded enough, reasonable, inclusive, and not get back down sa mga petty arguments or whatever. Let us all welcome whoever wants to be welcome to our fold, and let us serve the community well and the society well too. Thank you.
Can I ask Ruby to step forward to be recognized? Your new Vice President, Acclaim. Just because pagandahan dito kaya nanalo doon sa amin.
Mabuti na hindi papayagan.
Yeah, correct.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I am really humbled by your confidence, and I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Journalism is not my background. I originally wrote for Atenito for so many years because I love to write. I am not a journalist like you guys. I am not a photographer. Neither am I a videographer nor a publisher. I just write because I love to write. My background is business, and as some of you know, I am a realtor. And Donald Trump, who invests heavily in real estate, had once said, if you were going to think, you might as well think big. If you are going to dream, you might as well dream big. So with the new executives under the leadership of Ricky, I think we should all put our thinking caps on and think big and dream big so that we can make a difference in our community. I'm a strong believer of giving back, and siguro that's the reason why I came here, because I'd like to give back to the community. As some of you might know, I'm president of the Filipino-Canadian Real Estate Association, and by no means will it impede my giving back to the Philippine Press Club of Ontario. Marami pong salamat.
Who's next on the line? Jonathan? Your remark?
Maraming pong salamat sa lahat sa suporta at sa tiwala. Lahat naman tayo naghahangad ng mabuti para sa PPCO. Ito rin ang hangad ko. At sinabi na ni Ricky, ito ang hangad ng kanyang magiging panunungkulan bilang presidente ng PPCO. 2 taon ang termino na naka-alay sa amin, sa akin. Ito naman ay pipilitin kong gagawin ko ang anumang aking makakaya para sa ikabubuti at pagiging buo at matatag na samahan ng PPCO. sinabi ng iba na may mga challenges tayong anong tawag doon? Hinaharap sa ngayon at haharapin bukas sa isang linggo at sa sunod na taon. Ito ay kung sama-sama tayo, sabi nga ni Ricky, sa board, pag-uusapan natin, ang mga kasapi, ang members, maging open sa mga sitwasyon, maging open sa suggestions. Ito po ay sama-sama natin lulutasin upang sa gayon ay maging maganda ang ating samahan. Maraming pong salamat. Next, si Noel, ang bago natin pong treasurer.
Ingat yaman. Ayos yaman. Ingat yaman. Salamat sa inyo po at naging sana po ay first time ko makuha ko itong katungkol ito. Sana po ay tulungan niyo ako. Kasi kung hindi kayo tumulong sa akin, hindi ito maging successful itong ating PPCO. Hindi lang sa isa, kundi sa lahat na ating gagalawin natin. Salamat sa bawat isa. Salamat din sa mga lahat na nagpunta dito. Okay, thank you very much.
Meron tayong leftover souvenir programs. Those of you who want to pick up one, nandito sa harap. Right? Okay na?
Isa pa pong announcement, meron pang tira na alak, wine, mula noong December last year, during the 10th anniversary. Meron pa po tayong ilang bote dyan na ibinibenta.
Alam ko, may mingan.
Ibinibenta.
Pag-iinom.
$15 po. Ito yung base price ata. Ito si Tita Rosa.
Mga kasama, ang alak na ito ay tira doon sa ating souvenir wine that we sold during the 10th anniversary of our organization last December. We sold it for $20, pero ang ating cost is $15. $15.40 yata. Ngayon, pagbili na lang ng 15
Alam ko, $5.
15, pero siyempre, total pa ay 40 centimos. Kung magbili ka lang kayo ng konti para hindi naman tayo masyadong lugi. But this is very good. Sandali lang. We have red wine and white wine. And I'm not a drinker myself, but you know, it's very good cold. At saka maganda yung bote kasi nakalagay 10th anniversary. Souvenir. Kung gusto niyo inumin yung content, ito siyempre pwede, no? Pero ang bote, maganda yung display. Alright, so nandito, isang dosena pa ang natira sa akin.
Ang next po magbibigay ng kanyang talumpati or speech ang bagong Public Relation Officer, si Imelda Susara.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thanks for creating this new position. I think I was told it's a new position, so I'm looking forward to the challenges of promoting the Philippine Press Club to the public and as well as networking and collaborating with other groups. I hope that we will be able to work well together as a board and bring the PPCO to the public eye, to extend its network and activities, and maybe include more public activities. Anyway, yeah, so it's a new position, so I have to read up what the duties are. But I'm looking forward to working with the new president, Ricky, and all the other board directors. Thanks.
By the way, before you leave,